The moment I lifted the lid of the box, the Motorola Edge 60 Pro in Pantone Sparkling Grape made an immediate statement. This isn't just a color, it's a personality. The finish catches the light in a subtle, refined way, shifting gently between deep violet and soft graphite tones, feeling modern without trying too hard. Nestled neatly inside, the phone looks sculpted rather than assembled, like a single piece of design rather than a collection of parts. As I picked it up for the first time, the premium leather finish instantly stood out. It's warm, tactile, and reassuring, offering a welcome contrast to the cold glass slabs that dominate the market. The texture provides grip without stickiness, elegance without fragility. This is a phone that feels meant to be held, not hidden in a case on day one. Before even powering it on, the curved edge design draws the eye. The curves flow seamlessly into the frame, giving the device a balanced, almost fluid silhouette. From every angle, it feels deliberate, thin without being sharp, solid without being heavy. From unboxing to hands-on use, and even system-level interaction, the Motorola Edge 60 Pro leaves a strong, lasting impression. It blends expressive design with serious durability, premium materials with practical confidence, and a gorgeous display with smooth, reliable performance. This feels like a phone designed not just to impress on day one, but to remain dependable and enjoyable long after the novelty fades. A rare balance of elegance, strength, and intelligent engineering.